Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your keyboard app supports autocorrect and WhatsApp is updated. On Android or iPhone, open the Device Settings app now. Once in Settings, tap Language and Input or General Keyboard so you can access keyboard options. You're doing this because WhatsApp uses the system keyboard settings for autocorrect. Enabling it at the system level activates corrections inside WhatsApp. Make sure to keep WhatsApp closed while changing keyboard settings, then reopen it when ready. Now you'll enable autocorrect inside your chosen keyboard. Navigate to the keyboard settings. For Gboard, go to System Languages and input Virtual Keyboard Gboard. For iPhone, go to Settings General Keyboard. Toggle autocorrect, auto replace, or predictive text on. Once done, fine-tune text correction, suggestions, and your personal dictionary to avoid unwanted replacements. Make sure to grant any necessary permissions and restart the keyboard briefly so changes persist. These system settings are what WhatsApp will use for live corrections. Finish by testing autocorrect in WhatsApp. Open a chat and type common misspellings to see if corrections occur. If it doesn't work, switch temporarily to another keyboard app or toggle the keyboard off and on in settings. Make sure WhatsApp has access to the keyboard and that no third-party privacy settings block suggestions. If problems persist, update your OS, reinstall the keyboard, or reset keyboard settings. One key troubleshooting tip: clear keyboard cache or restart the phone to resolve most lingering sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.